Good evening students, welcome to my channel. In this session I am going to discuss CBSE 2026 complete continuity and differentiation, all concept as well as most important questions repeated in previous year's questions. So in differentiation, if you're dealing with differentiation, these are basic standard functions formulas you should know, very important. If you know these standard functions formulas, you can able to solve any differentiation question. First, differentiation of constant equal to 0. Constant nothing but any number. If you differentiate any number of x, that is gives us e raised to power of x, and differentiation of log x, that is equal to 1 by x, and differentiation of sin x, that is equal to cos x, and differentiation of tan x, that is equal to secant square x, and differentiation of secant x, that is equal to secant x into tan x, and the differentiation of sin inverse x, that is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, and differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by x square, differentiation of secant inverse x, that is equal to 1 by mod x square root of x square minus 1, and differentiation of x power of n, that is equal to n into x raised to power of n minus 1. This formula is very important. These formulas are very important. We should know. These formulas are very important. These formulas you should know. And the differentiation of a raised to power of x equal to a raised to power of a x into log base a. For example, differentiation of 2 raised to power of x is given. This differentiation is 2 raised to power of x into log 2. You should know what is the difference between log x and log base ax. See, a base, if simply given log x, that is nothing but base is e. It can be written like this also, ln x. Base is given other than e, other than any other base is given, this is nothing but common log. This is called as common log. This is called as natural log. If natural log is differentiation of this log is log x, simply log x is given, that log is differentiation is 1 by x. If log base ax is given, differentiation of log base ax is given, this differentiation is 1 by x into log base e. You should know this one, very important. And differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x, and differentiation of cosecant x equal to minus cot x. Differentiation of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by mod x into square root of x minus 1. Next, this is the question. X is lies between pi to 2 pi, then differentiation of this. See, we going to use some formulas here. We going to use some important formulas. See, we use 1 plus cos x formula, and 1 minus cos x formula. We going to use these two formulas here. 1 plus cos x nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. This is 2 sine square x by 2. Okay, in place of 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x, it gives us 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 sine square x by 2. 2 get cancelled. Cos square x by 2, see, you can remember cos square theta or cos theta whole square, they both are same. Okay, it can be rewrite as like this, x cos x by 2 sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, we know that cos theta by sin theta nothing but cot theta. Okay, we use same here. This is nothing but cot x by 2 whole square, nothing but I will simply write cot square x by 2. Okay, next differentiation of tan inverse square root of cot square x by 2. Okay, you should know square root of x square is nothing but mod x. Okay, square root of x square nothing but mod x. This is the basic formula you should know. Okay, d by dx of tan inverse. See, actually normally what students will do now, they will directly cancel square and root. That is not correct. Okay, whenever square root involves in under x square is there, you should write as mod x. Okay, it can be written as mod of cot x by 2 now. Okay, now you should understand what is the domain is given. Domain is given x is lies between pi and 2 pi. Here what is the angle? X by 2. I want x by 2, then I will divide 1 by 2 on both. We get pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than pi I we get. See, pi by 2 to pi nothing but it is a second quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant cot x by 2 is negative. Okay, if it is negative, mod is open with negative sign. Okay, mod is open with negative sign. Differentiation of tan inverse of minus of cot x by 2, it can be written like this. Okay, then after this differentiation of tan inverse, in place of minus cot x by 2, it can be written as tan of x by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, this is the trigonometric conversions. Okay, you should know. Okay, basic trigonometric conversions. Then see, this tan inverse get cancelled. Differentiation we get simply x by 2 plus pi by 2. Now differentiate this one. If you differentiate this one, differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Differentiation of pi by 2 is a number. Okay, it is constant. Then differentiation of constant is 0. Finally we get answer 1 by 2. Then which option is the correct option? Option C is the correct option. Okay, if you not apply this now, you get answer is minus 1 by 2. This is not correct. Okay, be careful with trigonometry functions. Okay, if you dealing with trigonometry functions now, be careful. Okay, next we discuss another question. The function, this is the function is given. They asking in the options whether this function is differentiable or not differentiable. Okay, whether it is continuous or discontinuous. Okay, first what is the function is given? Function is given f of x 2x minus 1, x is less than 1 by 2, 3 minus 6, x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Okay, see, if you want to tell the function is differentiable or not, you should check whether the LHD equal to RHD or not. If left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative, then the function is differentiable. Okay, otherwise function is not differentiable. Okay, first check left hand derivative. Here I am using shortcut trick. It is a MCQ question. I am directly using shortcut trick. Okay, and like how to deal with 2 or 3 marks questions I will explain later. Okay, with other questions I will explain. Okay, how to deal with 2 or 3 marks questions also I will explain. Okay, whenever it is comes in MCQ, how to deal. See, this is the shortcut trick you should remember. For LHD you should consider this function x less than 1 by 2, less than symbol. See, less than, x less than point. Okay, you consider that function f of x that is equal to 2x minus 1. Differentiate this one, f dash of x that is equal to what we get, 2. Okay, right, this is gives us left hand derivative. Then you find RHD, right hand derivative. For RHD you consider this is a function x is greater than 1 by 2. What is the function? F of x equal to 3 minus 6x. Differentiate this one, f dash of x equal to minus 6. Okay, this is nothing but RHD, right hand derivative. Now see, this is LHD, this is RHD. Okay, LHD equal to 2, which is not equal to RHD that is equal to minus 6. See, that means they both are not same, then we say that the function is not differentiable. If it is not differentiable means, see, it is not differentiable at x equal to 1 by 2. What is left hand derivative? It is nothing but a left hand derivative. What is 2? Right hand derivative is minus 6. Then option C is our correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Okay, then how to apply, like how to find differentiability for 2 mark or 3 mark, later I will explain with some other questions. Okay, let's first discuss the MCQs questions, then later I will explain 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks questions also. Okay, in this complete session I am going to discuss all the possible important questions. Okay, this is a question, this is a function is given and they provided that function is differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay, they already provided the function is differentiable. See, you always remember what is the necessary condition for differentiability. Necessary condition, first apply necessary condition. Necessary condition for differentiability is continuous. Okay, continuity, the function should be continuous. Okay, then only after that only we will discuss differentiability. First you should check whether the function is continuous or not. Okay, if this function is continuous, then you check differentiability. If function is not continuous, okay, no need to check differentiability. Okay, if the function is not continuous, the function is not differentiable also. Okay, he already provided that the function is differentiable means the function is continuous also. Every differentiable function is continuous. Okay, every differentiable function is continuous. Okay, then simply find left hand limit. What is the definition for continuity? Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to functional value at what point? 1. Okay, left hand limit. What is left hand limit? Left hand limit is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x that is equal to functional value. Okay, limit, left hand limit x tends to 1 minus, left hand limit is this function, less than symbol, x square plus 3x plus a. Okay, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, for right hand derivative this is the function. Okay, bx plus 2. Okay, substitute wherever the x is there, replace with 1, we get 1 square 1 plus 3 plus a that is equal to b plus 2. Simplify this, we get 4 plus a that is equal to b plus 2, then a minus b plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, a minus b plus 2 is equal to 0. Then option A is the correct answer. Okay, this is the relation between A and B. Okay, is it clear? Okay, then okay, next discuss. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this function is given, this is a continuous function at x equal to 0, and they are asking to find what is the k value. K value we have to discuss. Okay, what is the value of k? What is the value of k? Okay, what is the value of k? Okay, first find left hand limit or right hand limit. First find left hand limit. Okay, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, okay, f of x is 2 minus 2 cos 2x by x square. Okay, then limit x tends to 2 minus, take 2 common, we get 1 minus cos 2x by x square. Okay, then what is the formula? See, we have to go, we going to use formula, use this formula, use 1 minus cos 2x, nothing but sin square x. Okay, use this formula. Okay, then substitute in the function. What is the value we get? 2 is the constant, take 2 common, limit x tends to 0 minus, okay, in place of this is 2, right? Sorry, 2 sin square x. Okay, 2 sin square x, that means in place of 1 minus cos 2x, we get here 2 sin square x by x square. 2 2s are 4. Okay, then limit x tends to 0, it can be written as sin x by x whole square. Okay, we know that from standard result, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, this value equal to 1. Okay, then if you apply the limit, this value becomes 1, we get 4 into 1 square, nothing but 4. Then which option is correct? Option C is the correct. Option C is the only correct answer. Okay, we know that. Okay, why directly it is equal? Because we know that for it is a given that function is continuous. If the function is continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to functional value, okay, at 0. Okay, then functional value is what? F of 0 is k. Okay, then I will equate these two, LHL and functional value, 4 equal to k value 4. That's why option C is the correct answer here. Okay, if you apply right hand limit also, okay, right hand limit is equal to functional value, you get answer 4 only. And remember, see, when square roots are involved, whenever in the function square roots are involved, always use rationalization method. Always rationalize. Okay, see, okay, I will explain this one also. Okay, if suppose if the same question, if they will ask for 2 or 3 marks, okay, how to find RHL, right hand limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, what is the function? Square root of x by square root of 4 plus square root of x minus 2. Whenever square roots are involved, okay, always rationalize the function. Okay, square root of 4 plus square root of x, Okay, in place of minus 2 take plus 2 by square root of 4 plus square root of x plus 2. Then limit x tends to 0 plus square root of x into square root of 4 plus square root of x plus 2 by, okay, see, this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Okay, you know that a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, then apply the formula, you get square root of 4 plus square root of x whole square minus 2 square. Okay, then limit x tends to 0 plus, we get square root of x, square root of 4 plus square root of x plus 2 by square root cancel, we get 4 plus square root of x minus 2 square 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancel. Limit x tends to 0 plus square root of x, square root of 4 plus square root of x plus 2 by square root of x. Okay, here again square root of x get cancelled, wherever the x is there replace with 0, we get square root of 4 plus 2, square root of 4 nothing but 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. See, again RHD also we get same 4. Okay, we get 4 on the. Okay, then we discuss this question. This is the very important one. Okay, what is the function is given? Y is equal to x raised to power of e raised to power of minus x square. Y is equal to e raised to power of minus x square. Okay, how to differentiate this one? See, one way to discuss, see, always remember base is also function, power also is a function. Always apply log on both sides. Okay, if the base also function and power also function, then always apply log, take log on both sides, take log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log of x raised to power of e raised to power of minus x square. Okay, we know that, use this formula, log of m raised to power of n is equal to n into log m. Okay, m, apply this formula, we get log y is equal to e raised to power of minus x square log x. Okay, then now differentiate on both sides, differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x, log y differentiation 1 by y. Okay, y is a dependent variable, that's why again you write as dy by dx, that is equal to, here it is in terms of x, is also in terms of x, then apply product rule. Okay, uv rule, differentiation of u into v is there. Okay, okay, how to apply this one? Differentiating u, keep v as it is, plus differentiate v, keep u as it is. Okay, this is a uv rule or product rule, the same thing you apply here. Okay, keep e raised to power of minus x square as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x plus, okay, keep log x as it is, differentiation of e raised to power of minus x square is e raised to power of minus x square, again e raised to power of minus x square differentiation is what? Minus 2x. Okay, now simplify this, now simplify, dy by dx is equal to y into, cross multiply y that side. Okay, e raised to power of, if you want you can take e raised to power of minus x square also common. Okay, we get finally 1 by x. Okay, minus 2x log x. Okay, y is also nothing but what? X into e raised to power of minus x square, e raised to power of minus x square 1 by x minus 2x log x. Now in place of x replace 1. Okay, in place of x replace 1, what we get? 1 power of e power of 1, nothing but 1 only. Okay, e raised to power of minus 1 and 1 by 1 minus 2 into log 1, log 1, 2 into log 1, log 1 value 0. Okay, finally we get e raised to power of minus 1. D is the correct answer. Okay, next, okay, this is the important question. See, y is equal to square root of log x plus again square root of log x plus again square root of log x plus and so on infinity, up to infinity. It is repeating again and again. If you observe that the same thing, square root of log x plus square root of the same thing is repeating again and again. Okay, what I will do here, y is equal to square root of log x. See, in place of this I will replace y. Okay, in place of this I will replace y, because the same thing. Okay, y is nothing but what, square root of log s plus square root of log s. The same thing is repeating again, right? That means in place of this I will repeat y. Okay, I can repeat, I can replace like that. Then take squaring on both side. I will get y square is equal to log x plus y. Now differentiate on both side. We get y differentiation is y square differentiation 2y. Then y is a dependent variable, you should write dy by dx, that is equal to log x differentiation 1 by x plus y differentiation dy by dx. Take dy by dx this side, we get 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx, that is equal to 1 by x. Take dy by dx common, we get 2y minus 1 into dy by dx, that is equal to 1 by x. Okay, then which option is the correct? D is the correct option. Okay, next, okay, these pattern questions are very, very important. Okay, these questions they are asking in the examination. Okay, see what is the given here. X equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, they are asking to find d square y by dx square. We have to find d square y by dx square. First find dx by d theta. With respect to d theta find a. Okay, you should find, first you should differentiate this both, differentiate this with respect to theta and differentiate this with respect to theta. Okay, then you find dy by dx, then after that you find dy by dx also. Okay, now a is a constant, keep as it is. Differentiation of secant theta is secant theta tan theta. Then similarly dy by d theta, b tan theta differentiation secant square theta. Then dy by dx, first find dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta, that is equal to dy by dx, dy by d theta nothing but b secant square theta by a secant theta tan theta. Secant theta, this cancel, we get b secant theta, b by a secant theta, 1 by tan theta can be written as cot theta. This is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, again differentiate this with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square. Okay, otherwise can we rewrite again this one? If you simplify further, instead of writing like this, can I simplify this one? Can rewrite secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Okay, again tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta cancel, 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta. Okay, now differentiate this one. Now differentiate, this is dy by dx. Now differentiate d square y by dx square. Okay, b by a, differentiation of cosecant theta, differentiation of cosecant theta. Okay, one by secant theta, 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 by cosecant is correct. Differentiation of cosecant theta can be written as minus cosecant theta cot theta, and again theta is a dependent variable, you should write d theta by dx. Then minus b by a cosecant theta cot theta. What is d theta by dx? See, from here dx by d theta is a secant theta tan theta. d theta by dx nothing but reciprocal, that one by a secant theta tan theta, that is nothing but 1 by a secant theta tan theta, nothing but we get minus b by a square. Okay, cosecant theta cot theta by secant theta tan theta. See, we have like this, cosecant theta cot theta by secant theta tan theta. Okay, I will erase this one, this part. Okay, what is the answer we get here? We simplify this, minus b by a square. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Okay, by secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Okay, it can be written like this. Then what we get here finally? Okay, minus b by a square 1 by cos theta by sin square theta into cos square theta by sin theta. Okay, cos theta, that means it is cos cube theta by sin cube theta. Okay, this is nothing but cot cube theta. Okay, it also can be written as 1 by cot cube theta, right? Sorry, tan cube theta. Then finally it can be written as minus b by a square. Okay, it can be written as 1 by, it can be written as tan cube theta. See, here tan y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, y by b is equal to tan theta. Okay, y by b whole cube is equal to tan cube theta. Take cube on both sides, we get like this. That means minus b by a square. Okay, 1 by tan cube theta. In place of tan cube theta, replace this y cube by b cube. We get minus b power of 4 by a square y cube. Then what is k? K is nothing but minus 1. Compare this and this, we get k value minus 1. Okay, let's discuss this question. Okay, tan inverse. Okay, we should apply in place of x, take tan theta. Okay, we get y is equal to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is nothing but tan inverse, this is nothing but tan 3 theta. Tan inverse get cancelled, we get 3 theta. Okay, 3 times of theta. From here theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x, y is 3 times of tan inverse x. Differentiate this one, dy by dx equal to 3 by tan inverse differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. Then option B is the correct answer. Okay, next this question, y is equal to sin theta dy by dt. Okay, is equal to cos t. Again differentiate with respect to t, we get minus sin t. Then d square y by dt square at t is equal to pi by 4, that is equal to minus sin pi by 4 sin 45 degree. See, you should know sin theta cos theta angles up to 90, 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, okay, 60 degree, 90 degree, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. If you take ulta, we get cos theta values 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay, see 45 nothing but pi by 4. Okay, in radians. Okay, 45 degree nothing but pi by 4. Okay, then what is the value we get? Minus sin 45 degree how much? 1 by 2. That means answer is minus 1 by root 2. Then option A is the correct answer. Okay, then we discuss this question. Okay, here tan y is given 2t by 1 minus t square and sin x is given 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, then they asking to find dy by dx. Okay, see how to simplify this one. This is very simple. First what you have to find now, we have to simplify this one. Okay, first you should simplify this one. Okay, in place of t I will replace tan theta. Okay, I will get tan y is equal to 2 tan t by 1 minus tan square t. Okay, this is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square t, nothing but tan 2 theta tan y, then tan get cancelled, y is equal to 2t. Okay, similarly here also you consider t is equal to tan t. Okay, theta, what is theta? We get tan inverse t y. Okay, okay, otherwise keep in terms of t only, theta only, no problem. Okay, t is tan theta, sin x is equal to 2 tan t by 1 plus tan square t. This is nothing but sin 2 theta, sin x is equal to 2t. See, from these two, x is equal to y is equal to 2t, x equal to y is equal to 2t. Okay, then d by dx of x, that is equal to differentiate this one, dy by dx, nothing but differentiation of x is 1, dy by dx. Okay, that means our answer is 1. Okay, then this is the question, x is equal to cos t, y is equal to log t. Okay, first find dy by dx. First we have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, first find dx by dt, cos t differentiation minus sin t, here dy by dt nothing but 1 by t. Okay, you get dy by dx is equal to, substitute the values here, we get 1 by t by minus sin t, nothing but 1 by minus t sin t. I will write as minus cosecant t, 1 by sin t can be written as cosecant t by t. I will rewrite like this, dy by dx. Then again differentiate this one. Okay, d square y by dx square, we get apply quotient rule. Okay, t square. Okay, then minus t cosecant. Okay, you can keep minus outside, t as it is, cosecant t differentiation, cosecant t minus cosecant t cot t. Okay, minus then keep cosecant t. Okay, t differentiation is 1. Okay, and again dt by dx. Okay, because t is a dependent variable, you should multiply dt by dx. Okay, then we get minus simplify, minus t cosecant t, then minus into this is cot t minus cosecant t, okay, by t square dt by dx, reciprocal of this 1 by minus sin t. Okay, wherever the t is there, replace with pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what we get? See, sin pi by 2, sin 90 degree 1, reciprocal of sin pi by 2 nothing but cosecant pi by 2, that is also 1. Okay, and cos pi by 2, see, cot pi by 2 nothing but wherever, see, the cot t in place of t, if you replace pi by 2, cot pi by 2, cot pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2, cot pi by 2 value is 0. That means this complete value becomes 0. Okay, then finally we get minus cosecant t. Here already minus is there, minus minus plus cosecant pi by 2 1 by t pi, t square means pi square by 2, pi square by 4. Okay, again minus 1, we get finally what is the answer? We get denominator t square. Actually, okay, we should add this one, and then after that we have to take t pi by 2. Okay, anyway, we get here what is the value we get? This one, this value we get minus 4 by pi square. If you multiply, if you take pi by 2 here also, we get minus cosecant t by t whole square, nothing but we get plus 1 by t value pi by 2 whole square, nothing but 4 by pi square only. They both get cancelled, we get 0. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay, if you add all these two, substitute here and apply pi by 2, we get B value is 0. Okay, next okay, this is the question, very important question it is. What is the given here? Given that x square plus y square is equal to t minus 1 by t, and x raised to the power of 4 plus y raised to the power of 4 is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Okay, can I rewrite this one? Can I rewrite this one? I write x power of 4. Okay, see, I rewrite as x square whole square y square whole square. Okay, if suppose if I will add and subtract 2x square y square and minus 2x square y square, that is equal to this side also I will take this as t square plus 1 by t square, then I will add and subtract minus 2 plus 2. Okay, then this is nothing but, see, otherwise, okay, this can be written as x square plus y square whole square minus 2x square y square. Okay, I will keep this as it is. I will not change anything here. I will keep this as it is, t square plus 1 by t square, t square plus 1 by t square. This, in place of this, I will replace t minus 1 by t whole square minus 2x square y square, that is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Next, apply a minus b whole square, we get t square plus 1 by t square minus 2, okay, minus 2x square y square is equal to t square plus 1 by t square. Then finally this and this get cancelled. Okay, then I will write here, I will finally get minus 2 minus 2x square y square, okay, that is equal to 0. Then finally I will get 2x square y square. If you take 2 also common, minus 2 also common, we get 1 plus x square y square equal to 0. Send minus to denominator, we get 1 plus x square y square is equal to 0. Okay, then I will get it as x square y square is equal to minus 1. Y square can be written as, okay, then what is the value? Okay, dy by dx we want. Okay, then differentiate with respect to x, then apply product rule. See, x is a independent variable, y is a dependent variable, then apply product rule here. First function, second function, then apply product rule. Okay, what we get? First function, uv rule, product rule nothing but apply uv rule. Okay, this is u, this is v. Okay, x square differentiation 2x, keep y square as it is, plus keep x square as it is, y square differentiation 2y, y is a dependent variable, you should multiply dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1 is a constant, that differentiation is 0. Then 2x square y dy by dx, that is equal to minus 2x y square. Then 1 x get cancelled, we get dy by dx is equal to, and 1 y also get cancelled, we get minus 2y by 2x. This is what we get, 2 get cancelled, we get minus y by x. Then I think we missed something. I missed it with something. X square differentiation 2x y square plus x square as it is. Okay, y square differentiation 2y dy is equal to 0. Okay, it's fine. Then finally what we can take common is correct. 1 minute. Okay, anyway, simplify. What is the common? We get x equal to 0. Then finally we get y plus x dy by dx equal to 0. X dy by dx is equal to minus y, dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Y can be taken as it can be actually it is, there is no minus here. Wait, I think we did something mistake here. I will recheck once again. Wait. Something I did mistake. Where I did mistake? 1 minute. Actually there is a minus sign here. Okay, everything is correct only. Okay, we get minus 1 by, y can be taken denominator, we get x power of 1, y power of minus 1, alpha is 1, beta is minus 1. Okay, then alpha plus beta. Okay, actually the question is like this. Okay, y power of beta in numerator. Okay, y power of beta in numerator. Then actually the question is right like this. Then y, then here alpha is 1, beta also 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, alpha is 1, beta is equal to 1, that is equal to B is the answer. Actually it is this question is actually like this, dy by dx equal to minus y raised to power of beta by x raised to power of alpha. Okay, okay, next this is the question, x equal to square root of a sin inverse t and y is also given square root of a cos inverse t. Okay, here take squaring on both sides, we get x square is equal to a raised to power of sin inverse t. Okay, here also y is equal to a raised to power of cos inverse t. Okay, to simplify further, I will take log with the base a on both sides. Okay, I will get log base a x square is equal to log base a sin inverse t. Okay, here also I will take log base a y square, that is equal to log base a cos inverse t. Okay, if you observe that if the base and arguments are same, this both get cancelled. This side we get sin inverse t, this side by the logarithmic property, use this property log of m raised to power of n, that is equal to n into log m. Okay, by using this property it can be written as 2 log base ax, here also 2 log base ay, that is equal to cos inverse t. Now differentiate on both sides. If you differentiate, we get 2 by differentiation of log base ax value is x into log a, this is the formula. This is equal to sin inverse t differentiation 1 by square root of 1 minus t square. Okay, this we get, and you should write dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt also, and here also 2 by y log a dy by dt, that is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus t square. Then finally we know that what is dy by dx, that is nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, dy by dx, in place of dy by dt, just cross multiply this side. Dy by dt is nothing but cross multiply, we get minus y log a by 2 times of square root of 1 minus t square. Okay, here also same, cross multiply. Okay, we are in the numerator we get minus y log a by what we get 2 times of square root of 1 minus t square. Similarly here also we get x log a by 2 times of square root of 1 minus t square. Here this both get cancels, log a get cancelled, we get finally minus y by x. Then option A is the correct answer. Okay, answer A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, next this question. Okay, here x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and y is given 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta is given. Differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta. Okay, we get minus 2 sin theta minus we get sin 2 theta, 2 theta differentiation 2, you get like this. Again similarly dy by d theta, we get 2 cos theta minus we get 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by what is dy by d theta, 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta by minus 2. Can you take 2 common directly here in the numerator and denominator? Take 2 common, we get 2 common, we get cos theta minus cos 2 theta. In the denominator take minus 2 common. Okay, we get sin theta plus sin 2 theta. 2 cancel. Finally it can be written as, if you want, you can multiply minus in inside in the numerator. We get cos 2 theta minus cos theta by sin 2 theta plus sin theta. It can be written like this. Okay, then if you observe clearly, if you observe properly, you need to apply formula here. Okay, which formula we going to use here? Sin 2 theta minus cos theta. Okay, we going to use the formula. Okay, we going to use this formula. Wait, the trigonometry formula. You should apply numerator and denominator. Cos A minus cos B formula. Okay, minus 2 times of sin of A plus B by 2 sin of A minus B by 2. This is the formula. And sin A minus sin B, this formula 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. If you apply this formula in the numerator, we get 2 sin 3 theta by 2 sin theta by 2. In the denominator, we get 2 cos 3 theta by 2 sin theta by 2. See, this get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, sin cos angle same, it can be written as tan 3 theta by 2. Then option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct one. Okay, next this is the question. Okay, here x is equal to A sin pt, y is equal to B cos pt. Okay, what is dx by c with respect to t differentiate? See, parametric differentiation it is. Okay, in the examination, parametric, definitely one question they will ask. Okay, parametric differentiation. Differentiate with respect to t, we get A. Okay, sin p differentiation cos pt. Again pt differentiation, chain rule you should apply inside. Okay, pt differentiation p, you can write here. Again dy by dt, here we get minus bp sin pt, we get like this. Then dy by dt can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt, that is nothing but minus pp sin pt by ap cos pt. Okay, pp get cancelled, we get minus b by a sin cos can be written as tan pt. Okay, next again differentiate this, d square y by dt square minus b by as it is tan differentiation secant square. Okay, pt. Okay, again pt differentiation p dt by dx. Okay, minus b by a secant square pt into p. What is dt by dx? dt by dx nothing but reciprocal of this. Okay, dt by dx reciprocal this, we get 1 by a p cos pt, we get 1 by a p cos pt. Okay, wherever t is there, replace with 0, we get minus b by a secant 0 value 1. Okay, we get 1 square is 1 only into, okay, here pp get cancelled, a into a square, denominator a square, again denominator also we get 1, that is nothing but minus b by a square. Then option A is the correct answer. Answer A is the correct one. Okay, then next question, this is the next question. Y is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, we want to find the value of this. Okay, dy by dx, differentiate this, dy by dx equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, cross multiply, we get square root of 1 minus x square, dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay, squaring on both sides, we get 1 minus x square dy by dx whole square equal to 1 square 1. Differentiate on both sides. Okay, apply product rule, uv rule, apply uv rule. 1 minus x square differentiation minus 2x dy by dx whole square as it is plus 1 minus x square as it is, this differentiation 2 dy by dx, and again dy by dx differentiation d square y by dx square, 1 differentiation 0. From here take 2 dy by dx common, we get minus x dy by dx plus 1 minus x square d square y by dx square, that is equal to 0. Send this into denominator, we get, rearrange this, 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx equal to 0. Which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer, okay, for this. Next, see, this is the question. This type of questions are very important. See, first you should simplify this one. Whenever trigonometries are involved, you should use substitutions here, okay, first. Otherwise you can use direct formula also here, okay. If you want, you can use substitution also. The one thing you should remember, the property tan inverse something y is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse of phi. It can be rewrite like this. Similarly, I will write tan inverse of x minus 1 by x plus 1 as pi by 2 minus cot inverse x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, this second term can be written like this, okay. Then again you should know cot inverse y is also equal to tan inverse 1 by y is should not be equal to 0, okay. That means cot inverse x minus 1 by x plus 1, this is also equal to tan inverse of x plus 1 by x minus 1, okay. Then see, y is equal to this can be written as tan inverse x plus 1 by x minus 1. In place of this I will replace again this one, okay, plus pi by 2 minus, see, in this place you replace this, again in place of cot inverse replace this, you get tan inverse x plus 1 by x minus 1, okay. These both get cancelled, we get pi by 2 y equal to pi by 2, okay. This is y equal to pi by 2, but differentiation of y how much? 0. Pi by 2 differentiation constant, this value equal to 0. 0 is the D answer is the correct, okay. Then, okay, this question is very important. See what is given here, y is equal to log base is sin x, square root of sin x, okay. The one thing you remember, if you take sin x, see, if suppose if it is given like this, y is equal to log something, you can take x, log x for example, otherwise use some different notations. M is equal to log n, for example. If the base is a, if you take this base a this side, it becomes a raised to power of m, that is equal to n, okay. It can be rewrite like this. The same thing, see, you can apply directly, if you can differentiate the dy by dx, no problem, but I will use this property. I will take sin x base this side, it becomes sin x, okay, whole power of y, otherwise, okay, I will differentiate directly, okay, because it becomes power of function of power function, right, okay. Instead of applying this, okay, I will differentiate directly, dy by dx log x differentiation 1 by square root of sin x, okay. But here base is different, differentiation of log base ax, this is f, this differentiation 1 by f of x into log base a, okay. Here again the function is different, function is there, okay. How to differentiate this one? This Actually this function is a very good function actually. Okay. Otherwise first can I rewrite then apply differentiation? Instead of this I will apply the property. You know that log of m raised to power of n can be written as n into log m. It can be written as log sin x whole power of 1 by 2. Take 1 by 2 down. It can be written as sin log sin x into sin x. We know that log base argument same, this value equal to 1, then should be equal to 1, equal to 1 by 2 y dy by dx equal to 0. A is the correct answer. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise you can apply differentiation also. Okay, but it will take very lengthy and time taking also. Okay, instead of applying this one, use properties of logarithmics. Okay, use the properties of logarithmics. Okay, now say this is the question. This is the function f of x equal to mod of x minus 5. Okay, you should differentiate what is the derivative of this at x equal to 2. See, you always remember, no need to apply left hand derivative, right hand derivative here. Differentiation of mod of f of x can be written as mod of f of x by f of x into f dash of x. This is the formula, remember. Finally f dash of x differentiation mod of x minus 5 by x minus 5 into x minus 5 differentiation 1. Okay, we checking at 2, right? F dash of 2, find mod of 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 5, that is equal to mod of minus 3 by minus 3. Okay, inside the mod if you take any value we get always positive. 3 by minus 3, 3 cancel, we get minus 1. That means C is the correct answer. Okay, C is the correct answer here. Okay, we move to next question. Okay, this type of questions they were using, they asking, okay, they asked in previous years. Here consider first function as u sin square x square. Okay, consider second function as v. Okay, then differentiate this one with respect to x, du by dx. Okay, du by dx. Okay, otherwise you can take directly du, no problem. Du differentiate with respect to x, we get du is equal to 2 sin x squared. First differentiate this one, 2 sin x square, and x square differentiation 2x. Similarly differentiate this with respect to x, we get dv, that is equal to 2x. Then finally it can be written as du by dv, that is nothing but 2 sin x square, okay, into 2x by 2x. 2x cancel, we get 2 sin x square. Okay, this is nothing but du by dv. Okay, which option correct? D option is the correct answer. Okay, then this is the question. Here f of x is given x plus 1. Okay, we have to differentiate this composite function f o f x, nothing but, see, if you remove this o, okay, it can be written as f of x like this. f of x nothing but x plus 1. Again in place of x replace again x plus 1, we get x plus 1 plus 1, nothing but x plus 2. Okay, this is nothing but f of x. Okay, differentiate this one. If you differentiate this, we get x plus 2 differentiation 1. 1 is the correct answer. Okay, then we move to next question. Okay, this is the question. See, this is a very important question. What is they asking? What they asking? The differential coefficient. The differential coefficient of f of ln x, where f of x, see what is f of x is given, ln x is given. Okay, see, we want f of ln x. Wherever the x is there, replace ln x, we get ln of ln x. Okay, this is become some other function g of x. Okay, now differentiate this one. Differentiate g of x now. that is nothing but differentiate ln of ln x. Okay, differentiation of first ln x, differentiation from ln x is 1 by x, in place of x is ln x is there. Again ln x differentiation 1 by x. Okay, this is our answer, 1 by x into ln x. If you take both function to numerator, it can be written as x into ln x whole inverse. Okay, this is our correct answer. A is the correct answer. Okay, this is nothing but differential coefficient of f of ln x. Okay, next we move to next question. This is the function. Okay, f of x I can write as y is equal to square root of x into log base x. I will take squaring on both side. Okay, I will write as y square is equal to x into log base x, then differentiate this. Okay, if you differentiate this, f dash of y nothing but y dash of e. Okay, differentiate this, we get 2y. Okay, y dash. Okay, dy by dx nothing but y dash. Again apply uv rule, x differentiation 1 log base x as it is plus x as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x, x cancel, get log base x plus 1 2y y dash. Okay, what is y? See, we want only y dash. Y dash is equal to log base x plus 1 by 2, cross multiply 2y. Y is nothing but square root of x into log base x. Wherever the x is there, replace with e. We get log base e plus 1 by 2 square root of e into log base e. See, base argument same, that value equal to 1. Here also 1. We get 2 by 2 square root of e. 2 get cancelled, we get 1 by root e. Then D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer here. Okay, next move to another question. Here e raised to 4 of y x plus 1 that is equal to 1 is given. I will rewrite as x plus 1 is equal to 1 by e raised to 4 of y. You can apply uv rule directly here. Okay, instead of this you can rearrange like this also. Now differentiate. Okay, differentiation of x is 1. Okay, this differentiation e raised to power of minus y. Okay, minus y differentiation minus dy by dx. Then finally what is dy by dx we get? Okay, minus 1 by e raised to power of minus y, that is nothing, minus e raised to power of y, minus e raised to power of y, nothing but B is the correct answer. B is only the correct answer here. Okay, next question. Okay, the function here, function is greatest integer function. Okay, is continuous. See, you always remember greatest integer function is continuous. It is continuous everywhere except at integer values. Integer values means 1. Example 1, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, like this. Integer point. Okay, integer numbers. Except at integer numbers, it is everywhere continuous. That means it is continuous at 4. It is continuous at minus 4. Sorry, it is not. See, it is continuous at it is continuous at everywhere except at integer point. Except means it is integer. At integer is not continuous. It is also not continuous. Not continuous. It is continuous. 1.5 is not a integer. Okay, at that point it is continuous. Okay, direct question, very easy question also. Okay, concept based question. Okay, no need to apply left hand limit and right hand limit concept here. Okay, if the same question is asked for 2 or 3 marks, you should apply left hand limit and right hand limit. You should check left hand limit and right hand limit. If left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then it is continuous and it is also equal to functional value. Okay, that left hand limit equal to right hand limit, that is equal to functional value. These 3 quantities should be finite. equal and finite, then only it is continuous, otherwise it is not continuous. If it is 2 or 3 marks question, you should write you should find left hand limit, right hand limit and functional value, then you show that the both three are equal. If they both three are finite and equal, then it is continuous. If the both three quantities are not equal, any two quantities, if any two quantities is not equal, then directly you say it is not continuous. Okay, it's fine. Next, y is equal to, this is the question. Okay, y is equal to e raised to power of minus x. This differentiation dy by dx we get minus e raised to power of minus x. Again differentiate this one, we get e raised to power of minus x. Okay, this is nothing but y only. Then which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, then this is the question. Here x equal to t square plus 1. Okay, and y is equal to 2at. This differentiate with respect to t, we get t square differentiation to t. T is a dependent variable, you should multiply dt by dx. Okay, with respect to t, na? Okay, then no need to multiply. Here dy by dt, we get 2a. Then finally dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt is 2a. Okay, dx by dt is 2t. 2 cancel, we get a by t. Okay, again differentiate d square y by dx square. Okay, t can be written as like this, a t inverse differentiation minus 1 and by t square. Okay, now at a t is equal to a, what is the value we get? In place of t replace, and again again it is t is a dependent variable, you should multiply dt by dx, that is nothing but minus a by t square. What is dt by dx? See, reciprocal of this, we get 1 by 2t. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by 2t. Then substitute in place of t a, you get minus a, okay, by a square into 2 into a get cancel, we get minus 1 by 2a square. Then B is the correct answer. Okay, this is the question. The function is not differentiable, it is continuous. Okay, first check the continuity. Okay, for left hand limit, check left hand limit x tends to, at say what is the turning point? 1. At 1 you check 1 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus, that means less than symbol. This is the function x square, wherever the x is there replace 1, we get 1 square 1. RHL, okay, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus wherever the function this is a function greater than symbol 2 minus x, wherever the x is there replace with 1, we get 2 minus 1 is 1, and functional value f of 1 also 1. Okay, these three quantities are equal, then it is continuous. Okay, eliminate C option, this also you can eliminate. Okay, it is continuous. For differentiability, see x square differentiation 2x, this differentiation minus 1, wherever the x is there replace with 1, we get 2, here minus 1. This is LHD, this is RHD. See, LHD is not equal to RHD, then it is not differentiable. Okay, it is not differentiable, then option A is the correct answer. It is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Then we check next question. This is very important question. See, this question they asked many times, the same pattern. Okay, little bit changes only. Okay, they changing a little bit some terms, but same pattern question they asking and again every time. Okay, they asking to find k value here. Okay, is given that the function is continuous. That means if the function is continuous, that means limit at what point? At 0, left hand limit, and that is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to functional value. These three quantities are equal given f of x is continuous. Okay, these three quantities are equal, then limit x tends to 0 minus what is f of x. Okay, find left hand limit. F of x limit x tends to 0 minus 1 minus cos 4x by 8x square. Okay, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, okay, we know that use this formula, 1 minus cos 2x is nothing but 2 sin square x. Okay, if you observe, it can be rewrite as 1 minus cos 4x can be rewrite as 2 times of 2x. Okay, in place of x what is the 2x, sin square 2x. Okay, I will rewrite as, in place of 1 minus cos 4x I will replace 2 sin square 2x by 8x square. Okay, 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is equal to 1 by 4 limit x tends to 0 minus sin, it can be written as sin 2x by x whole square. Okay, use this formula. Which formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin some box x by some box, x coefficient should be anything. If this both this same, this value equal to 1. Okay, if I will cross multiply this box this side, I will get like this. Okay, then here box x by some x, it is like this, that is equal to box. Here also same, what is the box here? 2. Okay, then 1 by 4, this value becomes 1, this value becomes 2 square, that is 2 square is 4, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That means left hand limit, see, if these three quantities are equal, then left hand limit and the functional value also equal. Functional value given k, then k is equal to how much? 1. K is equal to 1, k value equal to 1. Okay, next, this is the question. Okay, this is the same question here, the same question. Okay, this is the same for see, for a left hand limit. Okay, the left hand limit, what we the left hand limit we got, this function is same, we got left hand limit equal to 1. Okay, that means a value also we get same only. Here a value also equal to same we get. See previously I said this is same question they asking again and again. This is very important and most important questions. Okay, whenever this type will come, use trigonometry substitutions and rearrange it and find the value. Okay, next. Okay, this is the question. If the following function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, find the value of a, b and c. Okay, first find, see, it is a continuous. If it is continuous function, left hand limit and right hand limit. See, what is the given that function f of x is continuous. It is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, if it is continuous, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to functional value at 0. Okay, first find left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus what is the function? Sin a plus 1, see, less than symbol. Okay, less than symbol, that is our, okay, the condition is x is less than 0. Okay, you should consider this is the function for left hand limit. Okay, what we get here finally? Sin of a plus 1 x plus sin x by x. Okay, then take limit separately. Sin a plus 1 x by x plus limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by x. See, in previous problem I told that limit x tends to 0 sin some box x by x, this value equal to box, right? Similarly, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, this value equal to 1. Okay, apply this both. This value equal to a plus 1, this value equal to 1, that is equal to a plus 2. Left hand limit equal to a plus 2. Okay, then find right hand limit also. Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, what is f of x for right hand limit? This is our function, square root of x plus bx square minus square root of x by b into x power of 3 by 2. See, whenever square roots are involved, always use rationalization method. Okay, rationalize x plus bx square plus minus square root, it can be written as plus square root of x. The same thing, multiply and divide. Okay, this term take opposite sign one. Okay, minus is there, take plus. Same thing, you multiply and divide, you get. See, you apply, it is in terms of a minus b, a plus b. This is in terms of a minus b, a plus b. This is in terms of a minus b, this is in terms of a plus b. Then we know that a minus b, a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, then apply the formula, we get square root of x plus bx whole square minus square root of x whole square by b into x power of 3 by 2 square root of x plus bx square plus square root of x. Okay, square root get cancels, we get limit x tends to 0 plus x plus bx square minus x by b. Okay, x power of 3 by 2 into square root of x plus bx square plus square root of x. Okay, x minus x cancel. Okay, then okay, it can be written as limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, b x square by x square x power of 3 by 2 square root of x plus b x square plus square root of x. Okay, it can be written like this. Then limit x tends to 0 plus, if you simplify this and this, x square, if you take numerator x power of minus 3 by 2, we get bases same, powers add. Okay, we get take LCM 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay, we get x power of 1 by 2, x power of 1 by 2 by and here x power of 1 by 2 can be written as square root of x. Both are same. Okay, I will write this as, in the numerator I will write as this as square root of x. In the denominator, here can I take x common, I will get x plus b, here square root of x, limit x tends to 0 plus square root of x by, from here if I will separate the square root, I will get square root of x into square root of x plus b plus square root of x. In the denominator, if I will take square root of x common, I will get square root of x plus b plus 1. This get cancel, if I, wherever the x is there, replace with 0, I will get 1 by, okay, square root of b plus 1. I will get like this. Okay, now left hand limit. Now if the function is continuous, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to functional value. Okay, left hand limit, what is left hand limit? We got left hand limit is a plus 2. What is the right hand limit? We got right hand limit, we got 1 by square root of b plus 1. Okay, functional value, what is functional value? C. Functional value is C here. Okay, now first I will equate a plus 2 is equal to C, then I will equate 1 by square root of b plus 1 is equal to C. They are asking the values of A, B, C, right? Everything is fine. Actually B is outside, right? B is outside. B is also there. Okay, B is outside. This both get cancelled. Okay, then this is correct. Okay, we get 1, right? 1 plus bx we get. Okay, this is actually 1 minute, we did mistake here. Okay, actually limit extends to 0. After square root common get cancel, we get like this 1 plus bx plus 1. Wherever the x is there, replace 0, we get 1 by square root of 1 plus 1, nothing but 1 by 2. Actually RHL we get 1 by 2. Okay, now I will equate these two. Okay, these two, I will get a plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. Get a is equal to minus 3 by 2 I will get. Okay, and C is equal to 1 by 2. Equate these two. Okay, C is equal to 1 by 2, but B is not there. B is not there means it may be any real number. B is any real number. Okay, these are the values of A, B and C. Okay, this is the correct answer for A, B and C. Okay, next this is the question. If the function is this and it is a continuous, again it is a continuous function at x equal to 1, they are asking to find what is the A and B. If it is continuous, that means given that f of x is continuous, given the function is continuous, if the function is continuous, then left hand limit at what point? 1. Okay, that is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to functional value. These three quantities are equal. Okay, first find left hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus, for left hand limit less than symbol, this one we consider this is the function. Okay, 5ax minus 2b, wherever the x is there replace with 1, we get 5a minus 2b. Then similarly RHL, right hand limit, is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, okay, wherever the function f of x, okay, for right hand limit this is the function, okay, wherever the replace 3x plus b, wherever the x is there replace 1, get 3a plus b. Then LHD is equal to LH, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to functional value, okay. How much LHL? 5a minus 2b, that is equal to RHL, that is 3a plus b, that is equal to 11. Then this is the first equation, second, third. Equate 1 equal to 2 first, 1 equal to 3, we get 5a minus 2b equal to 11, and 2 equal to 3, we get one more equation, 3a plus b equal to 11. Simplify this, 5a minus 2b equal to 11, that is 3a plus b equal to 11. If you multiply 2 to this, okay, multiply 2 to the second equation, we get 5a minus 2b equal to 11, this is 6a plus 2b is equal to 22, okay, these two get cancelled, we get 11a, that is equal to this is 33, that is a is equal to 3, a value equal to 3, okay. If a is equal to 3, what is b? Substitute a value in any of these two equations, okay, we get b value. B is equal to, if I will substitute in two equations, second equation, first to second, 2 implies b is equal to 11 minus 3a, b is equal to 11 minus 3, 3 is a 9, b is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, this is our answer. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. Okay, this is the question, okay. This question is repeated so many times, very important question, okay. See, here also they provided the function is continuous, given f of x is continuous, you should write this sentence first, at x equal to pi by 2, okay. If it is continuous, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to functional value at pi by 2, okay. Then first find left hand limit. See, you can find directly, otherwise you can use the formula left hand limit. What is left hand limit? Is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. If I will convert this in terms of h, limit h tends to 0, f of wherever the x is there replace with pi by 2 minus h. H is nothing but positive value, h is greater than 0, and h is infinitely very small value, okay. H is nothing but infinitely very small positive value, okay. You should remember it is always greater than 0, that means you can consider h is 0.00 something 1, okay. See, limit h tends to 0, for say here for x is greater than 0, x is greater than pi by 2, x is less than pi by 2. What is the meaning of not this? Nothing but x is greater than pi by 2, less than pi by 2, the function is same only, okay. Here k is as it is, k is as it is. In place of x I will replace pi by 2 minus h by pi minus 2 times of pi by 2 minus h. Simplify this, limit h tends to 0, okay. You have to simplify this, okay. See, we know that cos pi by 2, okay, cos pi by 2 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, what is the value? Cos pi by 2 minus x, nothing but sin theta, nothing but sin h. Okay, you should know this one, the basic formula. Cos pi by 2 minus theta, nothing but sin theta. The same thing here, in place of theta h is there. Okay, by, if you simplify this, pi minus, okay, if you multiply minus 2 inside, 2 get cancelled, we get minus pi and plus 2h. Pi get cancelled, 1 by 2 is constant, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, this value equal to 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, is it clear? 1 by 2, sorry, numerator k is there, k by 2. Okay, then we know that left hand limit, if these three quantities are equal, then left hand limit and also functional value also equal, right? Then k by 2 is equal to, what is the functional value given? 3. Okay, k is equal to 3 into 2, 6. Cross multiply this to this side, we get k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. Okay, we get k is equal to 6. Then we move to next question. Prove that the function f is given by f of x is equal to mod of x minus 3. Here x belongs to real number, is continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 3. Okay, it is differential. First you should define the function. Modulus is given. Okay, you should define f of, you should define this one, f of x equal to mod of x minus 3. It can be defined as, see, if x is greater than 3, x is less than 3. See, whatever the function inside equate to 0. Okay, you get x equal to 3, then define like this, x is greater than 3, x is less than 3. Okay, if x is greater than 3, this modulus is open with plus sign. For x is less than 3, this modulus is open with minus sign. Okay, then further again simplify this, x minus 3, x is greater than 3. If you multiply minus inside, we get minus x plus 3, x is less than 3. See, you can take equal symbol for the year or year. Okay, anywhere you can take equal symbol. You can, if you want, you can take year also equal symbol. First you should define modulus function like this. Okay, the function is defined like this. Okay, this is our f of x. Now check it is continuous and differentiability. Now check continuity and differentiability. Okay, how to check continuity? You should find left hand limit. Limit x tends to, at what point? 3, right? 3, turning point is 3. Okay, 3 minus f of x, that is limit x tends to 3 minus, what is the function? Less than symbol, this is the function, minus x plus 3. Okay, wherever the x is there, replace with 3, we get minus 3 plus 3, 0. Okay, RHL. Okay, limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus, what is the function? X minus 3. Okay, wherever the x is there, replace with 3, we get 3 minus 3 equal to 0. And also functional value f of 3. Okay, equal to symbol is here, mod of 3 minus 3, 0. F of 3 also 0. Therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 3. Okay, therefore f of x is continuous function, continuous at x equal to 3. Now we have to check differentiability. Now check differentiability. Okay, how to check differentiability? You check differentiability. What is the formula for differentiability? See, first left hand derivative formula. Left hand derivative is limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h minus f of a by minus h. This is the formula. Limit h tends to 0, f of at what point we checking? 3 minus h minus f of 3 by minus h. Okay, that is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the function for left hand derivative? The same function we took for LHD, LHL, left hand derivative. The function is minus x minus 3, right? Okay, minus of wherever the x is there, replace with 3 minus h, then plus 3, f of 3 value 0 by minus h. That is equal to, simplify, minus 3 plus h plus 3 by minus h. 3 minus 3 get cancelled, limit h tends to 0, h by minus h, h also cancel, we get minus 1. If you apply limit h tends to 0 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. This is LHD. Similarly, find RHD, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a by h. Okay, limit h tends to 0, what is the function? The same. Okay, the point we checking, then limit h tends to 0, f of 3 plus, what is function? This is the function, wherever the x is there, replace with 3 plus h minus 3. Okay, minus f of 3 value 0 by h. 3 minus 3 get cancelled, we get limit h tends to 0, h by h cancel. Okay, limit h tends to 0, 1, that is equal to 1. This is RHD is equal to 1. Okay, LHD is not equal to RHD. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 3. Okay, you should prove like this. Okay, then this is the function. Okay, actually we already done this question in MCQs. In MCQ we already done this question. Okay, the same question we discussed. Okay, then y is equal to sine cos x square. Okay, differentiate this with respect to x, we get dy by dx. First, see, forget about inside one. Okay, first differentiation, sine differentiation is cos. Okay, in place of x, cos x square. Again, cos x square differentiation minus sine x square. Again, x square differentiation 2x. Chain rule you should apply like this. Okay, you can rearrange this, minus 2x sine x square and cos of cos x square. This is our required answer. This is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, then differentiate each of the following with respect to x. Y is equal to e raised to the power of x square. Okay, dy by dx is equal to e raised to the power of x square. Again, x square differentiation 2x, chain rule. That is nothing but 2x e raised to the power of x square. Again, second one, y is equal to e raised to the power of minus 3x. dy by dx equal to e raised to the power of minus 3x. Again, minus 3x differentiation minus 3. Chain rule you should apply. Okay, then third function, y is equal to e raised to the power of cos x. dy by dx equal to e raised to the power of cos x differentiation minus sin x. This is nothing but minus sin x e raised to the power of cos x. Okay, these are the some formulas. Okay, in next live session I am going to discuss this differentiation related important questions. Okay, all these questions I am going to discuss in next live session. Okay.